See, so what we've got in bathrooms is we've got tilers that can't tile, and we've got plumbers who can't plumb. But on bathrooms like this has been in 25 years, this hasn't been tanked. And it's been tiled, definitely been tiled by bad gear. Just can't get the tiles off. Further down the door, closer to the bath, it is bone dry, do you know what I mean? The boards are bone dry, everything's bone dry. So all I can do is, I can only show you the facts. My mates are saying I'm just going on, they want to get in and crack on and crack the job, you know what I mean? But if people don't show it and educate people, people will never know. Do you know what I mean? There is always two sides to every coin, and every coin deserves both sides. You've got to remember which side of the coin you are. Simple as that, lad. Simple as that. Do you know what I mean? Quality every time.